welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Amanda and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to be doing a review slash first impressions on the new iluvsarahii times Dose of Colors collection. I'm very excited. This is the first look that I came up with. Super simple, super easy, super fresh for the summer. Of course, glowy. Can we talk about this highlight though? So I just have like a peach all over matte lid with some greenish blue eyeshadow on the waterline right here. I think this look is super pretty, super fresh for the spring and summertime. And yeah, let me know if you guys want me to create more looks with this collection. So before we get into the tutorial, I want to talk about something that I've been loving for the longest and I've talked about many times in my videos on my channel. And this product has helped me a lot throughout my daily life, especially after being a mom. And if you mommies out there are watching, you guys know what happens to your boobies after you give birth. You had a lot of milk and then they just disappear. After your milk supplies goes away, your boobs are just left stretched out with nothing in it, so they just droop down low. It might not look like it right now because I have my secret weapon on. It is a bra. I swear by these bras, you guys. My favorite style is the t-shirt bra. That's what it's called. I actually have it on right now. I apologize if, you know, some of you are uncomfortable with seeing boobies and bras. You can go ahead and skip through this part. I also want to show you guys this one. This is the strapless one right here. I believe this is the OG. They include some straps, of course, but this one is actually designed to stay up even without the straps. Inside here, you can see like the little heart felt thing. I don't know what it's called, but this sticks to your boobies, so it helps the bra to stay up and not move around. These little straps right here, you can adjust it and you can pull this to make your cleavage like closer together. So I'm gonna show you guys, this is the after picture. This is what it looks like with the t-shirt bra on right here. As you can see, my boobies look nice and looks like I did not have a baby. It looks like my boobs are nice and perky and pretty. And if you want to pull it closer, you want your cleavage to be more intense, boom. Do you see that? That looks crazy for me, at least. I don't want my boobs looking like that, so I just leave them relaxed like so, and they still look great. So this is what my boobs look like without the up bra. As you can see, sad boobies drooping down. Yep, this is a real life right here. This is mommy life. Hashtag mom life. You guys can see there is a huge difference, so I am not lying. I literally stand by this bra 1000%. If you want to get some up bras for yourself, I do have a discount code. I'll leave it right here and also down in the description box below. I'll also leave the direct link to up bra, and if you want to learn how I got this look, then definitely keep on watching. Alright guys, excuse my hair. I literally just got out of the shower not too long ago, put on makeup, and then here I am. So as you can see, I already have my base makeup on. I'm gonna be testing out and reviewing the Dose of Colors times iluvsarahii collection. So exciting. I was actually invited to the launch party and it was really fun. I'll insert some pictures here. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway in this video as well, so be sure to watch till the very end. The first thing I'm gonna play around with is the eyeshadow palette. This is the packaging, very beautiful. So I'm pretty sure you guys have been seeing this all over YouTube, Instagram, but these are the colors. Super pretty, super fresh, very versatile. So I'm gonna be digging into this peachy color, which is called Loungy. Alright, next I'm gonna gonna take Loungy one more time, and I'm gonna take it on a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm just gonna pack it onto the lid. I want this to be like an all over lid and crease shade. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take a little tiny bit of Wanderlust, and I'm just gonna focus that on the outer V right here, just to deepen up the look just a little bit. But then I'm gonna go ahead and line my eyes really quick. Now that my eyelashes are on, I'm going to go ahead and work on my under eyes. I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Overdrive. So this is like a sparkly greenish color. Then I'm gonna be taking the Palma color, which is this one right here. It's so freaking beautiful. And then I'm gonna take this color right here, which is Poquito Más. I like my inner corner highlight to be super intense, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray my setting spray and go in. Yeah. So for the highlight, I'm gonna be taking the color Soul Mate right here, and I'm gonna apply it with my Morphe M501. Gonna be, ooh, do you guys see that? I'm pretty sure you guys freaking saw that. Oh my gosh, this highlight is so blinding. Wow, I honestly did not expect anything less from her, because you know she's the highlight queen. But wow, you guys, it looks so wet on the skin. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Wow, I don't even need to wet my brush or my face or anything. Oh my gosh, it's like literally blinding. Wow, this is definitely my new favorite highlight, so I'm just gonna go ahead and drown in it. Oh my gosh, you guys. Wow, I have not seen any highlight this blinding ever. Wow. For lippy, I think I'm gonna go ahead and go in with something glossy and something nude. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply Curvy. I think I'm gonna go in with Nude Chica. And like I said, I want a glossy look, so I'm gonna go in with Barely There lip gloss and just go right over top. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. Super simple, super easy. If you guys want to, I will be creating more looks with this palette. Let me know what you think. I can do like blue all over the lid, or a halo eye blue, smoky eye type thing, or even the bronze color right here, which I'm dying to play with. Yeah, let me know if you want more looks with this collection, especially the palette. And now it's time for the giveaway. So I will be giving away the iluvsarahii X Dose of Colors Bathe Highlighter, and this is what it looks like. You can see that I've swatched it, but I have never used it. Also, I threw away the packaging for it, so you're only going to be getting it like this. So along with the highlighter, you'll be receiving 3 Pop Beauty liquid glitter eyeshadows right over here. You'll also be receiving the Huda Beauty Demi Matte liquid lipsticks right over here. So to enter, it's gonna be super easy. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and also hit that notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a video. And 4, you just have to comment done once you've done all of the steps. Good luck to all of you guys. I hope you guys are excited about this giveaway, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.